The Citroen Picasso has been a huge, and I mean huge, success for the company.
And because you can get a brand new one sitting on your drive for just under 10 grand, it'll continue to be a success. So unsurprisingly, Citroen are going to continue making it.
However, find an extra 5 grand and you could own their all-new version. Stop, stop, stop. Hang on a minute. Let's just sort this. Brand new Citroen Picasso, £10,000. Brand new Citroen Picasso, £15,000. Let's take a look.
This is the new C4 Picasso. And we were so keen to drive it, we got an early left hooker posted over from France to port over.
Well, you've got to come and look at this. I mean, check this out. Look, now you think that these are just parking sensors. They're actually a lot more than that. They actually double as noses. This actually senses the air quality ahead of you, so they can smell carbon monoxide, and they'll adjust the air conditioning in the cabin accordingly. Look at this. Beautiful cabin, huge amount of glass house area, goes all the way back up behind the driver's head. And come around here. Huge LEDs. They look like those old bar fires that old people have. Fantastic. Anyway, best bit's inside. The Picasso's actually got more interior space for passengers and luggage than any other MPV in its sector. And on the higher spec models like this, it's also got pneumatic self-leveling suspension on the back. You can drop it and raise it for any heavy equipment you might want to put in. Obviously, being an MPV, you've got the 2 obligatory seats in the back here. But don't worry, you do not need an IKEA furniture erection degree. All you need is one good finger. Let me demonstrate. Lovely. And Citroen claim this is the only compact MPV that you can walk from back to front in. Well, sort of. Take a look at this space-age dashboard. Citroen have put all the controls for the stuff like the heating to the side, which leaves a lot more space in the centre here. There's also no gear stick down below. It's all up on a column up by the steering wheel, and instead you've got stuff like a little refrigeration unit.
And lots of cubby holes. In fact, you could say it's a real work of art. But as it's a Picasso, can it actually make art? Meet Mark Spate, presenter of the children's art show Smart. He's going to help us draw a tribute to one of Pablo Picasso's famous etchings of his pet, Sausage Dog. Honestly. We're going to overshoot slightly because we've got a special apparatus.
Indeed, indeed.
Now, if we're on the stomach...
We are on the stomach.
Of a sausage dog.
Yeah.
I'm guessing it's probably a bit of a lap dog, so I'm going to just give it a slight kink in the belly.
Well, this actually didn't really have a kink. Hard round.
This is like rallying, but really slow.
I'll tell you what, let me go and straighten the brake out. Hang on a second.
All right.
Where are you going? All right.
Am I all right to back up with this thing? No, I'm not. Is it back leg?
It's back leg, yeah.
Back leg. We're on its bum hole.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the Dog Council.
That is Dog Council saying, what the hell is going on?
Western Supermaid Council. No, you're not allowed dogs on the beach. I'm not sure you've measured this out right.
I have measured this out.
No offence.
Correctly. No.
No
It's just you're not driving it right. I've got it in my head, that's the trouble.
It's going to look like a dead lizard. Are you lost? I'm lost. And it's all your fault, man of pens.
No, it's the driver, honestly.
Stick to your crayons. Stick to your crayons. Oh dear,
This is the maddest thing.
What utter confusion. Right, straight towards here.
Straight towards here, and then we're done, really, more or less. That's it, one sausage dog complete.
Yeah, okay.
There you go. So what do we do now?
I haven't finished.
What do you mean I'm finished? It's finished.
I'm going to draw the lead. This is a lead. All dogs should have leads, and especially if a dog's allowed on a beach, it should definitely have a lead.
So the Picasso's good on sand, but what about tarmac?
This is the top-of-the-range exclusive model, which we expect is going to come in and around £20,000. This particular example's got a 2-litre petrol, 143 brake engine, but let's face it, no one in England is actually going to buy it. They're going to go straight for the turbo diesel version. But that said, it feels very good on the road, in town and on the motorway. I like it, and I'm a bit worried. I'm not a family man. But if you don't like the notion of driving around in a huge goldfish bowl, Citroen have the solution. The blinds are connected to the sunbinders. Talking of light, this car has got one hell of a party trick. You've got to wait until the sun goes down before I can show you that. There are 32 different light sources on this car. Allow me to show you. Here's number one. There's a lovely little halo beneath the door mirror. And coming around to the back, right, this just looks like a standard rear courtesy light. Not so. It actually doubles as a torch. Check out the dashboard. You've got these lovely different colour changing tones here. Got these mood lights under here that are concealed away. Got these lovely little lights down here as well. If you put your hands down, they automatically turn on. So if your mum drops her chewing tobacco, she can just pick it up instantly. And then you've got these lovely mood lights down below here. Very short.
Yeah, whatever, Jonny.
And there's also some...
As you can tell, I'm really taken by the C4 Picasso. It's full of features that makes it an ideal car for young families. And most importantly, it can draw dogs.